The world is moving forward faster than ever before. We rise by lifting others. We open the doors to the future. And the future is here. We are the Bull Machines. A top leader in manufacturing loaders and backhoes in its class and segment. We are more than a manufacturer. We help to accelerate your future in a better way. We are powered by 250 plus expertised engineers and 1,500 plus employees who are aligned with our vision of delivering uncompromised quality. At Bull Machines, quality is not just a word, it is our promise. Meticulous process and constant attention is given in every aspect of building the perfect machine, causable failures, all manufacturing problems. Quality is at the core of the way we build a machine, and it's constantly checked to be flawless before and after reaching our customers. We are making our footprint in more than 55 plus countries and counting.
My experience with the Bull machine is a very good machine. It's a very competitive price and a very strong machine.
Bull machine product is good for the past 4 years we are selling. With product quality is good. I think it's more on European standard.
These machines are good machines. So from today on, you have to respect what the Indians are doing.
We strongly believe that every problem has its own solution within it. And we always come up with the game-changing solutions that inspire our customers. Fully optimized production processes and best-in-class innovative technologies allow us to deliver our product at cost efficiency to our customer. We carry out every single production step under our own roof. New challenges drive our learning and solution development. Each machine goes through rigorous tests before it goes out the door on its way to our distribution network to continue their journey to the customer. When it comes to connectivity, Bull Informatics help connect the machine and the man with an ease. Our global service support network provides reliable support that you can count on 24/7. We are building not just a machine, We are building a machine that builds the future.